first pictures of Delhi CM in the Rouse Avenue court where he has been produced. CBI is seeking Arvind Kejriwal's custody in a court in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal has said probe agency acted in a malicious manner. CBI counsel SPP DP Singh said, we could have done this before and during elections. We did not. We waited all this while. Then he was not well. We then went to interrogate him. They say it's unfortunate. Yes, it's unfortunate that even before you have policy notified, you look for suitors. When political dispensation done this, how you finalize the policy was exactly how the suitors wanted. I'm doing my job. I'm satisfying every court, is what the CBI has indicated. With the Delhi CM saying that the CBI is acting in a malicious manner. These are first images of the Delhi Chief Minister from inside court on the issue. CBI has been seeking his custody in the court in Delhi where he has now been produced. This is Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. Arvind Kejriwal has said the probe agency has acted in a malicious manner. These are first pictures you see on your screens right now of the Chief Minister being produced in court. We will be going straight to Shrishti Ojha for more details on that story. Remember, the CBI is seeking custody of the Delhi Chief Minister. The CBI has said to investigate or not investigate is my prerogative. I have to seek permissions if I desire to investigate, not their permission. The CBI counsel has said law mandates I have to go there and question him. There is no law saying that I have to convey my desire to him, referring to the CM. I have taken permission as I was supposed to. Pictures are of Delhi Chief Minister being produced in court. Remember, he is being tried as an accused in the excise policy matter. He is in a court being produced in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court now. The CBI is saying that I do not require anybody's permission, but the court's permission. Going straight to Shreya Chatterjee for more details on that big story. Shreya, the CBI is saying that I am doing my job. I could have done this during the time of elections. I did not. What really is unfortunate here is that there's been a scam, and that really is the sad part, and not the fact that I'm having to investigate this entire matter.
Well, absolutely. You know, SPP DP Singh appearing for the Central Bureau of Investigation is suggesting that interrogation is their prerogative and no law actually suggests that they cannot go and question a person, and he's suggesting that we only require permission from the court and that due process was followed before Arvind Kejriwal was questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation inside the Tihar jail. Now, remember when the question arose that how could the CBI arrest him while he was in the judicial custody in another case, very categorically, the precedent of the previous arrest in the similar matter of K. Kavita, remember, has also been cited by the CBI. Essentially, today's production full proofs the following action that the CBI was looking in this case. The CBI is saying that the election was going on. We did not take action. This is something that we waited for. It is wrong every time when an action is initiated by the agency to tarnish them and suggest that this is something to do with politics. The other important thing that the CBI has mentioned in the court, that when you were finalizing the policy, even before your policy was finalized, you were looking for suitors. That is one of the big allegations that is coming in, that remember the cabinet which actually approved the Delhi excise policy, in the initial two times the policy was not accepted. However, the third time it was given a nod, and that's precisely what the CBI wants to investigate. The ED in the similar matter had looked into the money angle, and CBI over here will be looking into the corruption angle.